Let's head back out to Davos. Johnson Controls Chairman and CEO George Oliver spoke to Yahoo Finance's Julia LaRoche to discuss everything from his company to climate change.
We're a leader in the building space. When you look at our portfolio, we have a very strong HVAC portfolio across every platform, right from residential right up through chillers in the largest infrastructure that we support. We also have a very broad, what we call building management system portfolio with all of the systems that are deployed within buildings. And so for Johnson Controls, we have the unique opportunity to take all of the product that we deploy in the building, all the sensoring that we deploy with data, and combine that into differentiated solutions within the building space. We're about $25 billion in revenue. Over the last year, we transformed the portfolio with the sale of our battery business. So now we're a pure play buildings business and positioned extremely well.
So you're basically touching our lives, whether it's where we work or where we're educated. I do want to talk about the theme of WEF this year, and it's about stakeholder capitalism. So as we go into this week, George, what's on your mind?
Yeah, so I was very supportive of the Business Roundtable statement of purpose, and with that, we believe that we're positioned here with all of our constituents. Customers being able to deliver successfully solutions to our customer base that enables them to win. Our investors, make sure that we're always focused on deploying resources to be able to create value for our investors, and then being positioned globally to be a very attractive company for talent and be able to develop that talent successfully within their careers.
Well, a key part of this week is also climate change. It sounds like you all are also at the front lines when it comes to climate change. What is the opportunity there? Where can you really have impact?
Well, it starts with our vision. I mean, we are in the space we're in. Our vision is developing, deploying the most sustainable, safest, secure infrastructure in the world within buildings and within cities that we deploy our technology in. So for us, it's core. It's core to the theme of the conference. And so it's continuing to be able to make sure that we have the most efficient product, utilizing the least amount of energy. It's making sure that we're now developing data solutions that enable us to be able to enhance how that product is utilized, and then creating new business models with the data that enables us to be able to solve bigger problems that our customers are trying to solve, being able to support their digital transformations, and ultimately deliver significant sustainability within the infrastructure that we deploy, as well as on a go-forward basis, be able to sustain that.
Well, you all are incredibly global, so I want to ask you, what is your read on the global economy? Where are you finding challenges? Where are you finding opportunities? What's on your radar?
Yeah, overall, I mean, we are a global company. Over 50% of our revenues are deployed globally, and we've been investing pretty significantly as we did the merger. We completed the merger, the Tyco Johnson Controls merger 3 years ago, and we've made tremendous progress in how we put those businesses together. And we have continued reinvestment in the product to make sure that we're leading through our product leadership, as well as reinvestment in our people globally and establishing the right go-to-market footprint to be successful in supporting customers and ultimately increasing our sales capabilities. So with all of that, we see continued development of the markets that we support. Over the last couple of years, we've delivered, very strong performance, and we see a pipeline that's continuing pretty much globally in each of the markets that we serve.
And since you are so global, how focused are you on trade? How do you think about that?
Yeah, so for us, we're a local global company. So what we do is develop our capabilities globally, where we have local R&D, technology development in each of the key markets that we serve. We employ and develop people in each of the markets that we serve. So although, certainly we take all of that into account, we also try to make sure that we're positioned locally to be successful in the key markets that we're ultimately growing within.
And one final question, because you've been bringing this up, it's about investing in your people. How do you think about talent? How do you attract talent? What are the challenges and opportunities there?
Well, it starts with being a winning company, that we're in a position in buildings that we are the leader, and we believe that with what we're doing from a technology standpoint, we can attract the best talent. And then with that talent, making sure you're developing the skill sets that's going to make them successful, not only within the company, but more broadly in the industry that they're competing in. And so we've been very successful in being able to attract talent. We are going through a transformation. I think every industrial company's going through a transformation where you take your core capabilities that have ultimately delivered success to where we are today, and then how do you then advance those capabilities with the use of digital capabilities that truly is going to bring our value proposition to the next level.
All right, Yahoo Finance is providing live coverage at the World Economic Forum in Davos starting at 8 a.m. Eastern. You can watch the live coverage here at yahoofinance.com or on our mobile app.